Hi everybody, I'm Mom and I welcome you all to Momda's Life Handmade. Today I'm participating in the Summer Kitchen Vignette Challenge for 2020 that is being hosted by Denise Jordan from This and That with Denise Jordan. I'll put link to Denise's channel and to the playlist that she has created in the description box of my video for more ideas and inspirations. If you are new here, my channel is all about doing a lot of DIY and everything that is there related to home within budget. And if you love such content, I would really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button given below the video and to hit that little notification bell so that you're notified each time I post my video. Let me introduce you to all the items that I'm going to use for the summer in my summer kitchen vignette. Now this summer, because the summers in this part of the world is really hot and dry, therefore I always prefer to bring in a lot of greens inside the home to make it feel more cool. I therefore go for a cooler, a calmer combination of colors for my decor during this time. So my theme color is going to be white and soft greens for the decor. So let's start with the items that I have here. Many of them are DIY, so I'll put a link to all these DIY videos in the description box and also on the cards above. So first, the tray on which I'm going to place all my items. So this is basically a Lazy Susan. I did recently a thrift makeover or a thrift flip. It's a Lazy Susan and it basically was a two-tiered tray and I found it very inconvenient to reach in and get items from it, but I like it as a Lazy Susan single tray. So I'm going to use this tray. It has a beautiful whitewashed wood look with writings over it and drawings over it which looks like wood burning, and I think this is gorgeous. So I'm going to use this as tray. Next, here is a spoon rest. It's a ceramic one with beautiful designs of fruits in the here and on the sides. This is a beautiful piece. My mother gave it to me and I'm going to keep it. Then I have this, this is part of my tea set, ceramic tea set in green. Therefore, I've taken the sugar pot out of it. It's got a beautiful shape and I'm going to use this in the decor because one can keep few items inside it as well when not using it with the tea set. This can be of much utility than that. For the herbs, I'm using this jar of dry herbs, and these herbs I have dried myself. This is dried fenugreek leaves, also called kasturi methi. So every season in the winters, when we have abundance of fresh fenugreek leaves, I get them, wash them and dry them in the shade, and then I put them in clear jars and they last for about a year. They are strongly aromatic and are wonderful with many North Indian dishes. They just smell heavenly. Then I'm going to use a little hand towel which is in this pale green. A little flowers always make a place happy. There's not much natural light in my kitchen. There is, but not enough to let a plant grow there. So I'm using a vase. Again, this is another DIY where I painted the bottom of this clear glass bottle and gave it a golden rim. It looks really beautiful. And I've added this two artificial flower. This in green and white again. Other than these flowers, I also have a DIY flower, as Denise asked us to DIY a flower. So I have this DIY flower and let me show how I made this. For making my flower, I'll take a white cardstock paper, a little pom-pom or a colored foam in a small circular shape, a pencil, scissors and little glue. First of all, I'll take this piece of paper and take any round object of the size in which you want the flower to be. Now place it over the paper and trace 2 circles out of it and cut them out. Now once you have the circles, fold them into half once and then fold again into quarter like this. So now we don't want to go till the center when we cut the petal, so I'm holding it at this point and then I draw the petals. A half petal here, another half petal here and a full petal in the center. Now I'll cut this out and I'll get a 8 petal flower like this. Now when I cut till the center. I go deep, not center, till the point that I've drawn the lines. I'll go till them, even though there will be some common wall between the petals. Now I will fold them all inside. Some are already folded inside and some are outside. So I'll just make sure that everything folds towards the facing side. Next, taking any object which is has a flat surface like this, just curl the tips, just the tips. I just hold it against my thumb and the edge, flat edge of this instrument and just pull it and it automatically curls. This gives it the petal, natural petal like look. See the difference between the two. Next I am taking this yellow crayon and adding some lines going from center outwards. This will add some depth to my flower when they are layered up together. In fact, this step can be turned as soon as we have cut the circles. Now that this is done, I'll just take some glue, add a drop of glue here and place my petals such that one overlaps the other, and then on this another drop of glue and then this piece of foam in the center, and I'll have this pretty flower ready. All I did was I pulled the flowers petals like this up of the first layer which was on the top, and that gave more dimension to my flower. Some more DIYs. We need some words for this vignette. So this is a sign that I made in my a little past video, and it says eat and has got this fork and a spoon here and beautiful colors of white and green. I also have this little kitchen tool rolling pin again in the same color combination, and it says fun in both red and kind of fonts. I'll put a link for this video in the card above as well as in the description box below, and they look really cute and elegant. Then of course on a vignette I always love to add some candies, just a little bite of sweet and sour candies. These are really lovely ones. So I got them in a raw mango flavor and I would like to add them here as well. Love them, especially after the afternoon siesta. It just freshen up the mouth so well. So let's go to the kitchen and arrange them and decorate their space. I hope you liked my today's quick DIY flower and the beautiful kitchen vignette, and would love to decorate a space of your own with items that you have at home. Thank you so much everybody for stopping by, for watching. If you love the content of my channel, do subscribe, and thank you so much for your time and support. I'll see you soon with my next video. Until then, be positive, be creative, and be happy.